Hey guys, this is Randy, and I'm on a bike, and this is eLearning with Eggy. Yeah!
Today we're going to talk about image classification. Image classification is an advanced technique that we use in Eggplant AI. Currently, Eggplant can classify application forms. Let's use this application for an example. The first thing we are going to do is set up the capture area so we don't try to classify anything we don't want to. Once we do that, we're going to go to Start Session, Auto Scan, and Capture Area. Let's name our session and open it up. Once our session is open, Eggplant uses an AI algorithm to try to find the best shape for the image. We can adjust the algorithm by using the sliders in the bottom below. After we properly adjust the algorithm, we then remove the unwanted images and adjust the hotspot accordingly. The images are ready to be classified. Simply click on the Classify Image button on the bottom right. Using another AI algorithm, Eggplant will determine what the form classification is. Eggplant will not be able to classify every single image, so we'll have to make some manual adjustments. Finally, after all the images are classified, we will make sure images and script boxes are checked so we can generate both. Here's a script that Eggplant was able to generate. These scripts use a template that can be changed and defined. You can find the settings in Preferences, Script, General, Auto Snippet Template file.
Thank you guys for watching another episode of eLearning with Eggy, and I'll see you guys later. And he says goodbye. Take care.